Hello guys, we are back with a new video which is about the next mass hiring by one of the leading company called IBM. As you can see, this is the IBM off-campus hiring associate system engineer. This form shared officially by IBM to hire the best talent. So I got it for all of you who want to get hired in the IBM, one of the best product-based company IBM. So as you can see in my screen, that eligibility criteria on my screen, I am reading it for all of you. This is an entry level of provision, and the candidate must have completed their education and must have been their degree before the start of employee with IBM course completion. As you can see, only 2020 and 2021 graduate can apply for it who has less than 2 years experience. Basically, you must have a degree from IT domain for applying for this job, and also have a minimum pay of 6% or up to 60%. You will get it in Google form link in between the video, so watch full video. You can see in my screen the how to calculate your percentage for the eligibility criteria, and you can see that no backlog should be there. If you have any of the backlog, you must have cleared it or confirmed that you will clear in this year, so you can apply. It might take time to respond by the IBM team, so in that time you can clear the backlogs. So as you can see, form that you have to write your name here, your gender, mobile phone number, email it, and every details which are mentioned here, and just submit the form. For getting the link of the form, you're to see my entire video, and at the end you will get the link for applying this. For applying in this job, you must be thinking that how they are from where you will get this. For applying the job, I have mentioned the link in my video. Take a screenshot and open your Google Lens, and then apply for the job. Hope for the best, and subscribe to my channel for getting update about these off-campus hiring. Subscribe and click the bell icon so that I will be updated as soon as I put the video on the YouTube. Thanks.